Hi, welcome back to Engineering Drawing. I am Dr. Vasu. Hope you are enjoying the lectures on engineering drawing. If you want to learn this and many more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That will keep me motivated to create more such videos in the future too. Now let's jump right into the topic and let's see how to draw any polygon using only one method. This is called a general construction method to draw any polygon. Polygon means many sides, many. So let us see how it is. Suppose I want to draw a polygon of some length, edge is some length. So suppose let us take 70 mm. So draw a line of 70 mm length, AB. Now draw a perpendicular bisector, right? Already we know that. Draw a perpendicular bisector to AB and draw it and extend this, right? And say I call it as DE. And now at B, you draw a perpendicular line at B, a perpendicular to AB, and mark AB is equal to BC. That is, AB is equal to BC. C is at same distance here from B as A. Now, join A with C by a straight line. Okay. And B as center, BA or BC, both are same. BA as radius. Draw an arc here, joining A and C. B as center, we have drawn an arc. This arc and this straight line intersects this bisector line at 2 points here. I name this point as 4 and this point as 6. The meaning of it is, suppose if I take this point as center and from here 4A and 4B are equidistant. With 4A as radius, if I draw a circle, within that circle, you get a square, that is four-sided figure. Here, if you take a 6 as center, right? 6 sides means hexagon, right? So this point 6 as center, 6A as radius, you draw a circle and within that circle, you get a six-sided figure hexagon. So here, we'll do one more thing. In between, we mark the midpoint of 4 and 6 here. I call it as 5, right? After 4, I get 5. 4, 5 and 6, right? Similarly, now I got the distance between 4 and 5, adjacent sides, adjacent number. So 4, 5, we have a number, edge, length. Mark the same length from 6 here, right? Mark the same length here and name it as 7. Extend this, you get 8. Like this, you can draw any number of mark any number of points, and if this point as center, if you draw a circle as we told earlier, you get a 7-sided figure heptagon. If this point as center, 8-sided figure octagon. That's why this is called a general construction method. Now, let us use this method and draw the polygons. How? Let us see. I want to draw a square, a 4-sided figure, square of 70 mm sides using general construction method, using this method. Now, I have taken drawn the same procedure, right? Marked this procedure. Now, with 4 as center, right? 4B as radius, 4A also, same. 4B as radius, we draw a circle, right? We draw a circle here. Now, from B, you take AB as radius. From B, you draw, already we have a point, right? Now from C, with the same radius, you draw one arc that intersects this circle at point F. Join these points, right? A, B, C, D, C, F, and A. That gives the required square. Okay. So this is the way of getting the square. Now, I want to draw a pentagon of 70 mm sides. We have seen in the previous video, we have seen the specific method of drawing a pentagon, right? By taking the angle between the sides. But here we are going to see the general method. Now, pentagon means 5 sides. Take this point 5 as center, right? And 5B as radius, 5B as radius. You draw a circle, right? And AB, that is 70 mm. AB as radius, B as center. You go on intersecting this circle here at different points. You get F, another point here, right? G. From G, you mark another point. You get mark H, and from H, if you draw an arc that exactly coincides with A, right? Now we got 5 points here on the circle, A, B, F, G, H. Join them by straight lines, you get a pentagon like this. So this is the way of drawing a pentagon. Now, let's draw a hexagon of 70 mm sides. Let's see how. Same procedure, but here the thing is, hexagon means 6. So I take 6 as center, 6A or 6B as radius, 6A as radius. Draw a circle, right? Now AB as radius, that is 70 mm. AB as radius, B as center. Cut this circle at one point. Draw an arc. We get an intersection point. That is C. From C, draw another arc that you get to another point D. From D, you draw another arc and that intersects here at E. From E, F. From F, exactly it coincides with A. So like this, I got all the 6 points, join them by straight lines like this. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, A. That is the required hexagon. Okay, so suppose I want to draw a octagon, right? I want to draw an octagon. That means I take point 8 as center and 8A as radius. I draw, suppose this side is 50 mm only, right? Whatever may be that length of the edge, you draw this side of the same length. So 8 as center, we have drawn with the same procedure as we have seen earlier. We mark this point 4, 5 and the midpoint of it as 5. Extend this 4, 5 length or 5, 6 length upwards from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Now we have taken 8 as center. We are drawing a circle here, right? We are drawn a circle 8A as radius, a circle. AB as radius, okay? From A, you go on into AB, already B is there. From B, you draw an arc and mark one point, and like this, you mark with the same radius, go on marking the points. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points on the circle, exactly at the same distance. Now join these points, mark them C, D, E, F, G, H. Join them by straight lines like this. You get the closed polygon, and that is the required octagon, 8-sided figure. Okay, so with the same procedure, same method, you can draw any number of sides of the polygon. Okay, so here we have seen the general construction method. In the next video, I'm going to tell you a very, very simple method of drawing a hexagon, right? Hope you had understood this topic. If you have any queries or doubts or any suggestions, please do comment below. Thank you very much.